Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into YouTube, sign in and manage your channel step by step clearly. Open your web browser or the YouTube mobile app on your device. Go to YouTube.com if you are using a browser, or tap the YouTube icon if you are on mobile. Look at the top right corner and find the sign in button. Click or tap sign in to start the login process. Choose the Google account you want to use if you see a list of accounts. If you do not see your account, select Use Another Account. Type your email address or phone number linked to your Google account. Click Next to continue to the password screen. Enter your password carefully and make sure caps lock is not on. Click Next to sign into YouTube. If you use two-step verification, enter the code from your phone or Authenticator app. Confirm the security prompt on your device if Google asks you to approve the login. After signing in, check the top right corner to confirm your profile picture appears. Click your profile picture to open the account and channel menu. Select your channel to open your channel page. If you have multiple channels, choose Switch Account and select the correct channel. On your channel page, click Customize Channel to manage layout and branding. Open the Branding tab to upload a profile picture, banner, and video watermark. Open the Basic Info tab to edit your channel name, handle, and description. Click Save after you make changes to ensure your updates are applied. Return to the menu and select YouTube Studio to manage videos and settings. In YouTube Studio, use Content to upload, edit, or delete videos. Use details on a video to edit the title, description, thumbnail, and tags. Set the audience option correctly and mark if the video is made for kids or not. Use visibility to choose public, unlisted, or private and set scheduling if needed. Open Analytics to track views, watch time, and audience retention. Go to Settings in Studio to manage defaults, permissions, and channel-wide options. When finished, click your profile picture and choose Sign Out if you are on a shared device. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.